I will also go with a simpler example. So it is nothing but whenever your demand increases, I need a server or I need my CPU cycles. That means it is not enough CPU cycles. I need a more RAM. Even maybe my physical server doesn't have that much of slack. I have ready to pay. I have ready to buy, but I don't have a slack. So no way, right? So then you need to be upgrade your motherboard or you need to have a slack and everything. So these are the major problem nowadays in the IT industry, right? So these are what we discussed in the next few things about this. Actual our agenda is maximum will go with what is the cloud computing and will go by one day or just cloud computing, right? So this is the agenda, right? So we just go with the explanation and definition of what is the cloud computing and the history, right? How the in the 1960s they started with the mainframe computers and the client server models, and now everyone in the IT industry, all the CEOs are thinking about the cloud computing. That means total virtualization industry nowadays in IT, and we have to go for a computing model for the different computing models are available. So like we have a few models like a grid computing, utility computing, and cloud computing that we discussed in this activity. And the whole cloud architecture, how it looks like, how the architecture looks like, cloud layers. So then we have a deployment models, right? So different kind of deployment models available in cloud computing. So major one is in internal cloud, that means in a private, within the enterprise they are using in this, right? Otherwise it's external cloud, or cloud providers. Otherwise it's a hybrid kind of cloud. So then overall what are the services are available, right? So like we have a platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, software as a service. So nowadays they are saying it is even you go for a business process as a service also. Whatever business process you require, it's a service is available. Because it's a cloud computing is nothing but it is the path to IT as a service. So everyone they are saying it is each one is a service. Now total IT as a service is called as a cloud computing. And we have a cloud provider who are all the major cloud providers in the world. And we have some demo, right? So what? So that means that the demo is described how the way we can 3 minutes or 4 minutes, right? So provisioning a total server with the required software. So whatever requirement you need. So if suppose if I'm saying I need a Windows 2008 server with a MSSQL 2018. So for this I need to be deployed immediately because the cloning is available or it has some templates are available. Another maximum 4 to 5 minutes your server will be ready. That much it's a faster provisioning that is available in this cloud computing. Right, so that we see in the demo and the final conclusion. So what is a cloud computing? Right, it offers to access your software or any information, right? So on demand, whenever your demand is required over the internet. That is, there is no need to store in your local computer. Right, everything via your accessing through the internet. Right, for cloud computing, internet is mandatory. You require the internet. Right, high-speed internet is required. Right. So only thing is there is no need to store anything in your head. That means there is no need to buy any servers or any storage equipment or any software applications. Right, everything is available in the cloud. Only you need a laptop or your mobile phone, any of the end devices, end user devices with the internet connectivity. You can access all your applications, all your servers or your storage. Everything is possible in the cloud computing. So this is a simple explanation of this cloud computing. So this is a history. In 1960s, everyone they started with the mainframe computers. So at that time it was very high cost. Only the maximum big organizations and the government organizations they are ready to buy the mainframe servers. Right? So not for it is not affordable for everyone. So then in 1980s, the client server computing is started. That means client server models. What the client server models introduced, right? So a lot of people, lot of organizations, everyone they started buying and using the client server models. Now we are using all open systems. So now the latest, everyone still they are not using this. Now everyone they are moving on to this cloud computing because there is no need to buy any of the servers. Right? There is no need to any storage. It is not required. So there is no need. Suppose I want to buy a Windows 2003 server or 8 server, I need a license. And again application, I need a license. Right. So at the same time, for example, I'll go for some testing phase. So a week's time, Rather, you need not to go for a license and everything, right? Everything is available in cloud computing. So now the 2009 onwards, everyone they started the cloud computing. Lot of organizations and the universities, everyone they are in the R&D, right? So research and development for improving a lot in this cloud computing, right? Because another everyone they think about everything is available in internet. What about the security? Security also they plan, right? So lot of things they architectural level they discussed and they planned and they designed, right? Everything it will be secure. Even the disaster recovery planning, everything is available in the cloud. That's why it is very safe. Anyone can access it to anywhere. Right? That's the major advantage we have in cloud. So these are all the benefits we have, right? So it's a 24/7, right? So any time you will get through internet, you can access the information. That's the data, whatever you need, that you need to be accessed. And it's a deployment, it is very easy, right? Whatever application you want to deploy, it is not platform as a service. You have an application programming interface with the service provider, that is your cloud provider. You can deploy any of the applications easily. Everything it is virtualized and dynamic. Right. So that is the most region, the area. Because if suppose what is the same as Thiru said, right? If suppose, so in a payroll system, it is in the last month, last weekend, it is very busy. Or otherwise in 8 o'clock, it is very busy. That time I need a more CPU cycles and more RAM. Physically, it is not possible, right? So, but dynamically, we can go into this cloud computing. Because it's a more number of computing, that means more number of CPU cycles and more number of RAMs, everything it is putting into the pool. Right, whenever it is required, dynamically it is utilized. That's why I said cloud computing, it is nothing but on demand. Whenever your demand increases, it uses some CPU cycles or whatever required CPU cycles or RAM, memory space or your storage, everything it is available in a pool. That dynamically it is used. That is a major advantage we have in a cloud. And we have a pay as you use. So now it is a very important feature in this pay as use. There is no need to, if suppose, for example, we are in the training industry. Supposed to be I go for an important training, so somebody asking in a tailor-made HP training tool. That tool it is not available for this any evaluation mode. I need to be buy a license. But it is I want to be do this training for only 3 days. For this 3 days, I don't know whether the same kind of a training will repeat every month or every week. For this, I am going to spend for this license for 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. Instead, now what I will do is, I will just go for a software as a service. I will buy one only pay for use, right? So for a week's time, 5 days or 7 days, whatever time you use, that much only you need to be paid. There is no need to worry about other licenses and everything. Everything is available in a pay as you use. So that is available in cloud computing nowadays. That means there is no need to buy any servers. So whatever, that means a lot of things it's in a pay. Maybe how much CPU cycles you have used, how many hours you use, or how many days you have used, how many storage size, GB size you use. Everything is in a calculative and it is in a pay as you use. And we have a utility based on time sharing models also it is available. And we have a low total cost model. That means your capital expenditure is very less. That means there is no need to buy any of the applications or any of the servers or hardware. You can only utilize internet connection. So, and we have a high-level computing and a very secure storage management. Everything that is inbuilt of it's a high-end networking technology, high-end storage technology, and very high-end servers, blade servers. So the same as it's a SMT symmetric multi-processing servers with a multiple core CPUs. Right, everything that is inbuilt, then only it is for secure storage. So a lot of the cloud operating system, also one of the biggest company, VMware, they started the cloud OS with the first vSphere 4.0. It's have a security seal zones, right? So internally it's have a firewalls. So a lot of security methodologies are it has improved in this models. It is these are all the benefits, major benefits available in this cloud computing. So the next generation, 100% everyone they are saying it is the cloud computing. Right, so now, so anyone can develop any and deploy it very easily in wherever easily. Maybe easy in his home or by traveling by car, wherever you can easily deploy. You can do your job wherever you are there. Only you need internet. That much it is now flexible. So even you have to take a total backup to your cloud also it is possible. Total data center you want to take a backup, yes it is possible nowadays. So that is a cloud computing. Because now nowadays they are starting using the work from home. Work from home, there's a lot of all agencies now they started a work from home. So this kind of work from home and all, how it is possible because of only these kind of cloud computing, it is very much it is possible to go for a next level. So 100% your next generation it is cloud computing because behind it is a full virtualization. So as a customer or an end user, with the technologies of your internet cloud or cloud computing, we can do the new business opportunities. That's why I said if I want to do the training, so for this I need some servers and I need softwares with a license and everything. For this 5 days program, right, so I want to invest that much. I don't know whether in future the same kind of training will repeat or not. So that and all it is in a, nowadays it is in a expenditure you need to be invested before what is your total cost of income and all. So return of income we need to be discussed. So that time now it is not available with the cloud. So whatever you want, so your business, new business venture or ideas, you need to be think, right? Everything is available in the cloud. So you need to be paid per use, right? So I want to be this for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. Storage, whatever, right? If you go for a demo, I need to be do this. I'm able to do this clustering kind of stuff. For this, I need 2 servers from the storage area networking. I don't have a storage area networking. So everyone you know the cost of that storage area networking and everything. It is not possible only for a testing purpose. So that time it is easy. We go for this kind of a cloud computing. You can buy a storage and 2 servers, virtual servers. You can do the clustering and you can do it. This is the way it will work or something. For a demo kind of stuff and all, it is very much it is useful and usable for this kind of a cloud computing. So the computing models, again it is a grid computing, so utility computing, and it is a cloud computing. So grid computing is nothing but, so grid computing is a special kind of a computer, nothing but it is a group of computers, right? So they put together in a network with a special software. They are doing a single task or a single process with a multiple computer. They put it in a single, specialized software and the network. It is required. For a very high-end scientific research and everything, they are using a single kind of process. We need a multiple CPU cycles. That means more CPU cycles and more RAM speed and everything required. For that purpose, they are using this kind of a grid computing with a more number of group of computers.